Everything you have is manufactured. Cell phones, your hair color, nail polish, jeans, they all come from manufacturing companies.
Our glass fillers are used in predominantly camera applications or high-end sensors that have a very high clarity to them.
Acrylic, we do films.
Touch screens, infrared, night vision green, any photonics application.
A lot of our films and acrylics are used for, we'll call it lower-end sensors that need polarization, but you're not shooting an image through it.
Everything starts off by coming from us from the office, and then it goes right over to Scientific, where they'll make the materials or put the materials together, they'll label them, and then eventually it comes over to the laser room. I cut it and then I return it back over to Scientific, and then they package it up, inspect it, and then it goes out from there.
Manufacturing really thrives when you have a good team working together to produce things.
We communicate to make sure that we have nice quality products for our customers.
We have a really great crew here.
I've been here 26 years. It feels as if my line of work and what I do for a living has changed more than 10 times.
I love running the laser. I get a job, I put it in. It's so neat to watch the actual laser beam cut everything.
I don't know what I'll be doing next year. And that's a great thing. You can come into work and kind of use your mind.
Our product goes all over the world, and it's a challenge to do new products for all these companies. So when it goes out to the customers are happy.
You know where it's going and when it's going into. You look out there and you know you're making a difference. It's a challenge, and every day you have to stay dedicated. Even if you're doing something simple, just make sure you're doing the best job you can. That you can walk away that you know that you did a good job.